In the YZ250. You want to clean the whole thing. They make chain brushes, but I'm just using this one here. Clean it up real good. You want to do this before you lubricate your chain. Get all the dirt off. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. I'll be right back. Alright, we got it all cleaned up. Now what you want to do is take a towel, dry it. You can ride it up and down the road to dry it also. I'll just clean it with a towel, dry it up. Alright, got chain wax, clear. You want to spray your chain with the lube up on top, on the bottom right here, because this is the part that runs on your sprocket. So it should be here. Alright, then you get some rotations around. Let it soak in. Now that's lubed up. Got a small kink here. You can see it's already free. This is a non-O-ring chain. I'll never buy one again. Usually go with O-ring, but we were in a rush. But if you take care of the non-O-ring and clean them and lube them every ride, you'll be okay. And that's how you clean and lube your chain.